welcome back to my channel. As you guys know, I'm allergic to lash extensions, so I'm trying to find the perfect temporary lash extensions that I can find that won't irritate my eyes. And you guys, I think I found the one. These Bellion lash extensions, the temporary lash extensions. I can't wait to try them for you guys. They come with a little glue. This is the glue. Plume individual lash glue. And they're just these little individual lashes. And there's different sizes. Each row is a different size, which is amazing. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I have my mirror right here. I'm using a little tweezer. You can use any type of tweezer, so you can basically get it from anywhere. And this is the lash bond. So first, what I'm gonna do is take the lash bond and apply it to my lashes. Just go under your lashes because these lashes are applied underneath, not over. I love that. You guys, I've been dying to try lashes like this. So I'm going to take the longest length and apply it under. Oh my God, you guys. That was so easy. What? I'm going to do it again. And go under. So. Are you serious? What? Why haven't I done this sooner? Okay, I'm gonna do the rest. Okay, I just put the lash glue on the rest of my lashes and I'm gonna try to stick them all on. So now I'm gonna use 14 mm. So I'm gonna use this one, stick them right under. I'm just so shocked with how it sticks so fast and easy. Like, it just stays. How? Okay, now I'm gonna take the 12 mm. So this is a little shorter. I'm gonna go in and just stick it on. Okay, last one is the 10. That's the shortest one that I'm using for like the inner corner. I think I'm just so shocked because they stick so easily, and with like even falsies, not even just individual lashes, they don't stick this easy and they don't look good just like that. You have to like play with them and mess around, but these look so perfect. Oh my God, look at the difference, you guys. Look at the freaking difference. So you guys, I did one eye so far. I didn't even use a quarter of the pack of lashes. And look how good they look. That's crazy. It was my first time for this eye, but now that I know how easy it is, I could probably do it so much faster. Oh my God, and they look so good. Okay, my mirror is right here. I'm gonna do the other eye. Let's see how fast I could do this. I feel like it's really quick. So I'm taking the longest one, sticking it on the outer. Taking another long one. Okay, one more long one. You guys, I literally just touch it on there and it stays. How is that even possible? Okay, just gonna add more glue. I didn't put glue in the inner corner yet. So one thing I really love about these is even if you don't need to use like the full lash extension, like this whole thing, you could cut it in the middle and just use a little piece. That's what I'm gonna do for the inner corner. I'm just gonna use one piece because that's all I need. Oh my goodness, you guys. You guys, look how good they look. I'm so happy. I'm so happy with them. I'm obsessed. Like, they just look so perfect. They still can't get over how easy it was to use. And they're so comfortable. Like, I don't even feel them on. Another amazing thing about these lashes is that you can't see, like, you know, the lash line on the top. Normally when I put falsies on, you'll see like it's all uneven, like from the glue and all that stuff. So with these, you can't see anything because we apply them from underneath. So just like, look at that, you guys. It's like a flawless finish. It really looks like I have lash extensions on, or like they would actually look like my natural lashes if I used the shorter lengths, but I use the long ones, which I love. I don't even care if they don't look like they're natural, but I love them. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that. So I'll be back to update you guys later on today. Hey guys, so it's like 1 a.m. and I did a lot today, and these lashes have not moved one bit. You guys, I think these are it. And I'm gonna be using these from now on, especially on my trip. They did not even move. Like, look. I'm pulling on them. No movement whatsoever. Thank you for watching. Love you guys so much. See you soon. Bye.